Explanation of Article 332 of the Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India is built upon the principle of equality, but it also recognizes that equality in its true sense cannot be achieved without addressing historical disadvantages and social inequalities faced by certain communities. To this end, the Constitution makes special provisions to ensure political representation of marginalized groups. Article 332 falls within this category and deals with the reservation of seats for scheduled castes, SCs, and scheduled tribes, STs, in the legislative assemblies of the states. Text and essence of Article 332. Article 332 provides that reservation for SCs and STs, every state legislative assembly must reserve seats for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, except STs in autonomous districts of Assam. Special reservation in Assam, in addition to SC and ST reservation, seats are also reserved for the autonomous districts of Assam. Proportional representation, the number of reserved seats must be proportionate to the population of SCs and STs in the state, based on census data. Special provisions for northeastern states, clauses 3A and 3B, introduce unique arrangements for states such as Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura, where scheduled tribes form either the majority or a very significant part of the population. Safeguards for Assam. Article 332 also lays down that no constituency reserved for an autonomous district of Assam can include areas outside that district, and only members of STs of that district are eligible to contest elections from it. Bodoland provision. A specific proviso ensures balanced representation of ST and non-ST communities in the Bodoland Territorial Areas District, BTAD. Historical background. The framers of the Constitution recognized that SCs and STs, having faced centuries of discrimination and exclusion, required political safeguards in addition to social and economic reforms. Without such reservations, these groups risked being underrepresented in state assemblies, where crucial decisions about governance, welfare, and development policies are made. The unique history of the northeastern states also influenced Article 332. Many of these states have large tribal populations with distinct identities, cultures, and administrative needs. To preserve these, special arrangements, such as proportionate reservation and autonomy, were integrated into the Constitution. Key features of Article 332. Proportional reservation. The reserved seats are not arbitrarily fixed, they reflect the share of SCs and STs in the state's population. This ensures fairness and balance between representation and population strength. Special case of Assam. Separate representation for autonomous districts, such as Karbi Anglong and Dima Haso. Restriction that non-tribal candidates cannot contest from tribal autonomous district seats. The BTAD proviso ensures equitable representation of both tribal and non-tribal groups in a sensitive region. Special case of northeastern states, 3A and 3B. In states like Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram, and Meghalaya, where almost the entire population belongs to scheduled tribes, nearly all seats are reserved for STs except one or a small proportion. In Tripura, where STs form a significant but not majority group, special adjustments ensure they continue to have strong representation. Temporary to long-term safeguard. Originally, political reservation for SCs and STs was meant to last for 10 years from 1950. However, recognizing persistent inequalities, Parliament has extended this period through successive constitutional amendments. Currently, reservations for SCs and STs in legislatures will continue until 2030. Significance of Article 332. Empowerment of marginalized communities. It provides SCs and STs with a voice in lawmaking at the state level. Inclusive governance ensures that decisions on education, land, health, and welfare reflect the needs of marginalized communities. Preservation of tribal identity. In the Northeast, where identity and autonomy are sensitive issues, Article 332 plays a stabilizing role by guaranteeing representation. Integration with equality. While promoting inclusivity, the provision also balances democratic ideals with social justice. Conclusion. Article 332 of the Indian Constitution is a cornerstone of India's commitment to social justice and political inclusivity. By reserving seats for SCs and STs in the state legislative assemblies, it ensures that communities historically excluded from mainstream politics gain representation and influence in governance. Its special provisions for Assam and the northeastern states highlight the Constitution's sensitivity towards India's cultural and demographic diversity. Although the reservation was initially envisaged as a temporary measure, its repeated extensions reflect the continuing need to bridge the gap between constitutional ideals and social realities. Article 332 thus stands as a living reminder of India's effort to create a democracy that is not only representative but also inclusive and just. The Constitution of India. Part 16. Special provisions relating to certain classes. Article 332. Reservation of seats for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the legislative assemblies of the states. 1. Seats shall be reserved for the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes, except the scheduled tribes in the autonomous districts of Assam, in the legislative assembly of every state. 2. Seats shall be reserved also for the autonomous districts in the legislative assembly of the state of Assam. 3. The number of seats reserved for the scheduled castes or the scheduled tribes in the legislative assembly of any state under clause 1 shall bear, as nearly as may be, the same proportion to the total number of seats in the assembly as the population of the scheduled castes in the state or of the scheduled tribes in the state or part of the state, as the case may be, in respect of which seats are so reserved, bears to the total population of the state. 3a. Notwithstanding anything contained in clause 3, until the taking effect, under Article 170, of the readjustment, on the basis of the first census after the year 2026, of the number of seats in the legislative assemblies of the states of Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland, the seats which shall be reserved for the scheduled tribes in the legislative assembly of any such state shall be a. If all the seats in the Legislative Assembly of such state in existence on the date of coming into force of the Constitution, 57th Amendment, Act, 1987, hereafter in this clause referred to as the existing Assembly, are held by members of the scheduled tribes, all the seats except one. B. In any other case, such number of seats as bears to the total number of seats, a proportion not less than the number, as on the said date, of members belonging to the scheduled tribes in the existing assembly bears to the total number of seats in the existing assembly. 3b. Notwithstanding anything contained in clause 3, until the readjustment, under Article 170, takes effect on the basis of the first census after the year 2026, of the number of seats in the Legislative Assembly of the state of Tripura, the seats which shall be reserved for the scheduled tribes in the Legislative Assembly shall be such number of seats as bears to the total number of seats, a proportion not less than the number, as on the date of coming into force of the Constitution. 72nd Amendment, Act, 1992, of members belonging to the scheduled tribes in the Legislative Assembly in existence on the said date bears to the total number of seats in that assembly. 4. The number of seats reserved for an autonomous district in the Legislative Assembly of the State of Assam shall bear to the total number of seats in that assembly a proportion not less than the population of the district bears to the total population of the state. 5. The constituencies for the seats reserved for any autonomous district of Assam shall not comprise any area outside that district. 6. No person who is not a member of a scheduled tribe of any autonomous district of the state of Assam shall be eligible for election to the Legislative Assembly of the state from any constituency of that district. Provided that for elections to the Legislative Assembly of the state of Assam, the representation of the scheduled tribes and non-scheduled tribes in the constituencies included in the Bodoland Territorial Areas District, so notified, and existing prior to the constitution of Bodoland Territorial Areas District, shall be maintained.